Hello, my name is Jed Albring, and welcome to this video on what are ClickFunnels. Well, great question. So ClickFunnels is a software tool that allows business owners to generate leads and sell their products and services through the use of sales funnels. And the way that a funnel works is if you've ever been online, which I'm assuming you all have, and you've probably clicked on an ad or a link somewhere, and you've entered in your email in exchange for something, right? It was either an ebook or maybe a free yoga class or a half-off haircut, something. The exchange was, you give us your email and we'll give you this. So essentially what you're doing is you're entering a funnel, a sales funnel, where that business owner or brand or whatever is trying to take you from a cold customer to a warm to a hot. And they do that because they offer that value first to kind of get you into their ecosystem, so to speak, to take you into their world. And then hopefully you'll like that free item. You're going to want some more information and some more. And eventually maybe you will buy one of their products or services from them, or join whatever it is you may join. And ClickFunnels basically allows you to do that with simply drag and drop. So you can see here, this is a funnel that I didn't even build it. I simply went up to ClickFunnels, click build a funnel, and I selected my outcome, which is I want to get leads. And it'll give me all these, it'll give me hundreds of templates to choose from. Now, I'm not going to go too detailed into that, but and this is just one, and I can change these out with just the click of a button. I can go in here and say, download my free cheat sheet. Now, just to keep in mind, guys, I'm just scratching the surface of what ClickFunnels can do. I mean, it is just, there's tons and tons of value here, but for those just getting started, if you're looking to generate leads online, if you're looking to grow your business, this is where it's at. And the reason being is your website is more or less like a glorified brochure. Now, please don't take that the wrong way. You still need your website, right? You need kind of that presence online. But anytime you're trying to grow your business with leads, with sales, promotions, you want to take them through the funnel through the funnel process, because it's going to take them from cold to warm to hot, or it's going to take your warm audience to hot. And you're taking them through this series of steps. I'll go back and show you that now you can even see here, you can drag and drop any of this, but I'm taking them through these steps. I want them to go here, then I'm going to try and sell them something here, then I'm going to take you to the thank you page here where they can download their item or their gift. If I just sent them to my website, they're going to see the contact us page, they're going to see the about us page, they're going to see the, all the pictures and the videos and all that stuff. With a sales funnel, they have no other option but to go through those steps, right? And they can leave, of course, but if they want what I have, if they clicked on my link, okay, that is the idea. That's what ClickFunnels is, what it does, just, in its simplest form. And you can see here all these funnels, all these templates, guys, that are proven, right, to work. And you can grab any of these and change them out and do what you need to do. And this is just a few of the funnels. There's tons more, and you can get a bunch online as well. If you just search ClickFunnels funnels, you'll find all kinds depending on your industry. And then I can collect the various steps that I want, right? Do I want them to opt in, and then am I going to try and sell them something? Am I going to upsell them, meaning they bought one thing from me, then they can do what's called a one-click upsell. So I can simply have, let's say I brought them in on a half-off offer. Then they would buy that half off, and on the next page I could say, hey, would you like to add one more of this trinket? Just click the button below and we'll automatically add it to your cart. I mean, that alone is going to increase your cart value. I don't know what the don't quote me on this, but I think it's like something like 20 to 30% with the one-click upsell. Webinars, you can do your webinars, live webinars, evergreen webinars. You can do classes and membership sites on here. So it's absolutely amazing. So that is just kind of a brief run through of what is ClickFunnels, guys. I do have lots of other videos and more detailed reviews. Please check those out. And please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.